So guys, we're here. As you can see, I'm at the airport in Houston, going to Atlanta. Today is March what? 14th. And March 12th was my birthday. So what I'm doing now, I'm going again to Croix. É, galera, de novo aqui de Houston para Atlanta. Cabelinho novo, como vocês viram. Hoje dia 14 de março, dia 12 foi o meu aniversário. E agora eu tô indo para Croix, de novo, Croix. So what we're gonna do there is this, the CCM is basically asking us to anchor the containers even before they are finalized and become a house. Então o governo está pedindo para a gente ancorar os containers mesmo antes deles serem uma casa. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna make sure that everything is according what they request us. And you're gonna enjoy one more trip, and I'm gonna enjoy 2 more weeks in paradise. Então a gente vai fazer tudo certinho, tudo que eles pedirem a gente vai fazer. E vocês aproveitem mais 2 semanas comigo e eu também no paraíso, né? So that's what we're doing. I'm going there just to address it because we want to make sure we do everything right, to make sure that the government and the people understand that we are there to join the community, to make it right, to make it beautiful, to make it better, and have our place to rest. Então é isso aí, a gente vai fazer tudo para provar para o governo, para as pessoas de lá que a gente indo para lá para se juntar com a comunidade, manter o respeito, fazer as coisas melhores, fazer as coisas bonitas. Falou? Segue a trip de agora. Tá melhor a câmera, né? Comprei um case novo. Kisses, guys. Bye bye. Delta, and I got a grain bowl. The vegans will be happy. Look how natural. Tofu. The silverware now is wood, recyclable and sustainable. That's so cool. Well done, Delta. Here we go. Arriving in camp. Beautiful stuff. Perfectly. I came and I forgot to book a car. Guess what? Alan in 5 minutes booked all the cars and did all the stuff and saved my ass. Thanks. Here in the Frederickstead area, I'm gonna meet with the owner of Sandcastle. Great hotel. They have cottages by the sea. Another great place to stay. But Chris here and the owners at Sandcastle are just the best. Oh, galera. Look how cool, guys. Bikers, like people like enjoying the day and going for a ride in their bicycles. That's really cool. I was telling you guys, this was the they have like again like a cruise. That's awesome. So this is the first lot that we planned to buy, but we gave up because it's almost impossible to do anything here, you know. It's really complicated, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Frederickstead. They have a cruise. Eles têm cruzeiro. Chegou aqui.
Head north on Strand Street toward Hill Street.
Oh yeah, I know where I'm going, honey. Guys, this does not get old. Doesn't matter how many times I come here and I arrive here, it's still like breathtaking. My car, the one I got now, man, it doesn't have brakes, and I was driving down the hill like really like steep slope. So I'm trying to manage, but since it's not a stick shift, it's hard to control, but we are getting there, guys. This is beautiful. You're gonna see now when we can see the water. Here we go. That's it. We are arriving in our land, in our destination. Look at that, guys. We're gonna see how our property have survived this first week alone without us here, right? Look how look at this. Hey, yeah. And all the posts that we put there. Let's see. Go. It seems that everything is fine. The posts are there. I don't see anyone broken. I see few of them crooked because we were doing that and it got a little bit crooked, but everything is fine. Let's see the containers. These brakes are killing me. Okay, all the containers there. It seems that everything is okay. Here too, the water came, but nothing wrong happened. Here, some water there, but nothing wrong. Everything good. Cars are respecting. One of our friends put coconut trees and everything is good, man. Everything is good. Spratnet is the bar here. Our friend, and then Landings is the other restaurant. Really nice. That's the place. We're here. Yay! I'm sorry for the brakes, guys. I know it's annoying. I'm trying to not brake, but here we go. And our friend. Yay! And we're gonna stay in a container today. So let's see.